My name is Seiko Nagata. I own a shop, Seiko's Auto Service in Monrovia, California. And over the past day and a half, I've learned so much information about the human aspect of running a business, how to build a team, motivate them, as well as encourage them to be a better person as a whole to help the company and themselves grow at the same time. If I learned this much earlier in my business ownership time, I feel that I could have gotten the results much quicker. But with that said, I'm going back and I'm going to encourage and build my team the way that I dreamt, and now I have the necessary tools to be able to accomplish that goal. This is more about how to build the right team, how to encourage your people, how to get to know them, and help bring out their strengths in each individual and realizing what their strengths are and not pushing against what they're not good at. I realized that the way individuals learn is much could be different. There's three main styles of learning, and I never realized that some of the staff, as well as some of my family members, are not necessarily audio learners, and telling them is much harder for them to understand. And I now realize that I have to visually show them some of the goals and the lessons that I want to teach them. The first one is there are some worksheets within the workbook that we received, and I am going to make copies of those, distribute them not only to my team, but also my family, and let them understand that there are lessons that could be learned that is not taught in a school environment or other type of seminar environment, and that is specifically taught in this particular class.